Hello guys, welcome back to APDaga's DumpBox, and this is Akshay Daga. In this video, we'll talk about the data type factors in R programming. In our previous videos, we have already talked about data type like list, vectors and matrices, and atomic data types like basic data types of R programming. You can search those videos on my channel and learn those. So let's begin with the data type factors. So what is factors? So factors are nothing but integer integer vectors, but the integer numbers are represented by some values. Okay, now the question comes like, what is the need of factors? Like you have huge data, and in that data there is one column that is gender, and what happens that instead of writing male female each time, what people do in other programming language, they assign some particular number for one label and another number for another label. So let's assume for male the integer number 1 is assigned, and for female the integer number 2 is assigned. So in that case the work is done, like it is workable, but the data is not self explanatory, right? Like if the data goes to some other person, then again there will be a confusion that what 1 indicates and what 2 indicates. So factor resolved that issue, right? Because here every integer number is having one label with it. Here we call it as labels. So and factors are generally used to define categorical data. Okay? Categorical data, and factors can be of two types. First one is ordered and another one is unordered. So what is the difference and how to create factors ordered and unordered, I'll explain you with hands on. So you can create factor with this syntax, like with function factors. So here I am creating a vector with values like male and female. These are the two labels. I am not assigning any kind of integer value to particular label. It will be assigned internally automatically. We can check for which label which number is assigned. So I am creating a factor right now, and I am assigning it to variable x. First of all, it is unordered factor. How? I will explain. Once factor is created, I will print the value of x. You can see the value is male, male, female, male, female. Like whatever ordered I have explained over here, it is like that only. But if you check the labels, labels are nothing but the unique labels used in complete data set. So the unique labels are female and male. Even though my first entry is male, but if you check the labels, the first entry is female. Why it is female instead of male female? Why it is female and male? The reason is very simple, because we haven't defined any kind of order while creating the factor, and it automatically took the labels in alphabetical order. So f comes first compared to m, that's why female is the first label. So that's why we call it as unordered factor, because we haven't defined any kind of order. Okay, so now if you want to check all the unique labels present in the factor and what is the frequency of occurrence in that factor, then you can check it like table of x. See, there are only two unique labels, that is female and male. The frequency of occurrence in the factor is 2. You can see the female is written over here 2 times, and the frequency of male is 1, 2 and 3. Okay, now we need to check like which integer is assigned internally for those labels. So you can do that using the function unclass of x. If you check that the same sequence, like same factor male male female, this is defined here using numbers. So for male 2, for male again 2, for female 1. That means male label is internally the integer assigned to the label male is 2, and the integer assigned to label female is 1, right? And the labels are female and male. Okay, this is how you can create unordered factor. Now let's see how you can create ordered factor. So it is very simple guys, and it is similar to that of creating unordered vector. How? I am using the function factor. The first argument I am passing is a vector, and the another value parameter I am passing is nothing but a labels, like here it is levels, right? So if I am defining order here, that first should be male and then female, then the factor will be created and levels will be in the order which we have specified over here. Okay, so I am creating it now. If I print the x, again this order will be always same, whichever is there in the data. And if you check the levels, here male is first and female is second levels. Why? Because we have defined this order over here, right? Again, if you do the unclass of x, it will be same. This order is as we defined earlier. If we do table of x, it is the male is occurred 3 times, female is occurred 2 times. Apart from that, it is simple, guys. So this is pretty basic, like about the factor data type, right? So all basics is covered. So if you have any kind of doubt or anything here in this video topic related to this, please put it in the comment box. I'll try to clarify it as soon as possible. I'll try my best. And whatever syntax I have used, everything is available in written format, and link to that will be given in the description. Please do visit that, and if you have any doubt or anything, feel free to ask. If you like the explanation by me, please click the like button, and to encourage me, please click on the subscribe button. Okay, thank you very much, guys. So that's it. In our future videos, next video I'll talk about the data type, missing values and everything, and data frames. So keep watching it. This is Akshay Daga signing off. Thank you very much.